Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be resetting the service light on a Vauxhall Adam year 2016. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit it now, and then let's get into this. So flip the ignition on, and as you can see, it just says change oil soon. So we're going to go over to these buttons on here, the stalk, and then what we want to do is we are just going to press the end button so we can get the display up, and then we hit the menu button once to go to this car here, and it will say tyre pressures, and you can use this little scroll wheel to go through. So as you can see, scroll through to oil life remaining is 0%. So what we're going to do is we are going to press and hold the end button here, and it will say, are you sure you want to reset? You can just scroll up to the yes, press the end button, and then it will go to 100%. Then you can just scroll back through to your normal menu, and then flip the ignition off, back on again, start it up, and now you have no more service light. If you enjoyed the video or it was helpful, please hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and plenty more to come in the future. Thanks for watching.